Why that boy wanna hate? Hey, and check my phone. Why his girl wanna date? Hey, them whack ass rounds, boy. Your coupe do not skate. Your car don't start, but for work you be late. I just need cold liquor. Cool me down, I got a hot temper. Enjoying the summer breeze. Drop a pill in my punch, now it's potent as antifreeze. Brain fuck like I got holes in my head. Mixed DNAs on my sheets cause I had holes in my bed. No time to watch some depressing. It turned me straight to a monster.
Feel the bass, downtown sounds, AM 1700, let's go. Bass came by like 2 months ago. Yeah, did an interview, brought some champagne. Can you hear me? You brought some champagne, you know. So next time. Who your favorite? Who your favorite? Everybody got a favorite. Who your favorite? Alright, who the weakest? You're not on here, no, you're sure. You can whatever you want. Who your favorite? Who your favorite?
I'll say who music I'm rocking with. I just want something stuck out there. Nobody heard. Some of the dance shit.
Yeah.
Friday got some new stuff. Friday gonna drop it out there, but we're working on some crazy stuff.
That track, him, DBT,
They tried to slow me down, too many pounds on the elevator. I hardly see him snap, I swear I hardly see him trap. They act the hardest in their rap sense. When they beat they sharing straps. Geeky, red dot on your neck, no hickey. Won't let a snake shake my hand, give him $1.50. Slice up your cheek. Treat a rat like Chinese, grind him right into me. Play tough and tweets when we meet, they don't speak. Hey, baller blocking, boy, you're baller blocking. If it's beat from my street, block the street, cut off your options. Check in. Boy, you better watch where you step in. My youngest, they just told me that they just want your necklace. Get it. Go ahead, top of steal your chicken. Only use it for the head. Tell your bitch to suck my dick, give my head. Tell your bitch to cook a meal, suck my and do my hair. I ain't worried, I ain't pressed by the chick. I might get my hair pressed, I'm a pimp. Wherever you get disrespect, that's why I leave ya. Put that pump to your chest, I'm breastfeed done. Private, oh so private, my life is private. Private, oh so private, my business private. Private, oh so private, my shit is private. What you know about me? Oh, I love how they assume I learned something new about myself when I wake. And you ain't seen me in 300 days. I'm out the way, I ain't down with the fuckery. I blow a J.